Hello friends, in the previous class we discussed about what is Kirchhoff voltage law. Now we are going to discuss what is Kirchhoff current law. Kirchhoff current law is mainly useful in solving the problems or nodal analysis in network theory. Let's see the definition of Kirchhoff current law. The algebraic sum of all the currents approaching the junction is equal to the sum of the currents leaving the junction. Here junction is nothing but meeting points of two or more branches. Here branches means, let's see this circuit diagram. This is one branch and this is one branch and this is one branch. The meeting points of these three branches are this is the junction. Junction is also called as node. Junction is also called as node. Okay, according to Kirchhoff current law, the sum of the currents approaching the junction is equal to sum of the currents leaving the junction. Here we apply a current source I. The sum of the currents leaving the approaching the junction equal to I, and the sum of the currents leaving the junction equal to I1 and I2. According to current division rule, at parallel connection of resistors or inductors or capacitors, our current is divided into two parts according to the branch property. Here in this branch we connected R1, that means resistance, means if resistance is high then current flowing through this branch is low. Okay, based on this resistance values the current is distributed in the these two branches. Okay, this I current is distributed in these two branches. That means indirectly the sum of the currents flowing through these two branches is equal to the current approaching to the junction. That's what the Kirchhoff current law says. I is equal to I1 plus I2. Okay, this is for today's video.